Ever wondered how to approach an agent about that Zillow listing that's been sitting there for months? A property listed for 149 days or more typically suggests a few things. Perhaps it's overpriced, has a unique issue, or the seller is increasingly motivated. Your goal is to uncover these details and potential opportunities. First, do your homework before reaching out. Research the property's price history on Zillow. Look up comparable sales in the area, and check any public records for property details. This arms you with context and credibility. When you finally contact the agent, always start with a polite, genuine expression of interest. Avoid anything confrontational. Begin by stating you're impressed with specific aspects of the property or the neighborhood. Next, gently inquire about its longevity. You could say, "I've noticed this property has been on the market for a while, and I'm curious if there's a particular reason for its extended time on Zillow." This opens the door without accusation. Then, carefully probe for potential price adjustments or unique situations. Consider asking, given its time on market, is the seller open to reviewing offers below the asking price, or are there any creative financing options they might consider? Be prepared for various responses. If there's an opportunity, express your readiness to submit a strong, well-researched offer. This polite, informed approach often gets the best results. Mastering these conversations can unlock hidden deals and lead to your next great real estate opportunity. Good luck.